Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful project management tool. I've been using Smartsheet for a while now, and I'm really impressed with it. I'm also excited to share that I've partnered with Smartsheet to bring you this video. So, is Smartsheet free? The short answer is no. Smartsheet is a paid product, but there is a free trial available. You can use the free trial for up to 30 days to test out all of the features of Smartsheet. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of Smartsheet, including its features, pricing, and use cases. I'll also show you how to get started with Smartsheet. So, let's get started. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based project management tool that helps you to organize, track, and collaborate on your work. It's a very powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management, task management, workflow management, document management, collaboration. Smartsheet has a number of features that make it a great choice for project management. These features include drag-and-drop interface, Gantt charts, dashboards, forms, reports, automation. Smartsheet is also very easy to use. You can get up and running quickly with no prior experience required. Pricing. Smartsheet offers a variety of pricing plans to meet your needs. The most basic plan is the individual plan, which costs $14 per user per month. The enterprise plan is the most expensive plan, which costs $25 per user per month. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, Smartsheet also charges for storage. The amount you pay for storage depends on the amount of data you store in Smartsheet. Use cases. Smartsheet can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management, task management, workflow management, document management, collaboration. Here are a few specific examples of how Smartsheet can be used. You can use Smartsheet to track the progress of your project and ensure that it stays on schedule. You can use Smartsheet to assign tasks to team members and track their progress. You can use Smartsheet to create workflows to automate repetitive tasks. You can use Smartsheet to store and share documents with your team. You can use Smartsheet to collaborate with team members on projects. Getting started with Smartsheet. If you're interested in trying Smartsheet, you can sign up for a free trial. The free trial will give you access to all of the features of Smartsheet for 30 days. Once you've signed up for a free trial, you can create a new sheet. You can then start adding tasks, columns, and rows to your sheet. Smartsheet also has a number of templates that you can use to get started. These templates include templates for project management, task management, and workflow management. Once you've created a sheet, you can share it with other people. You can also collaborate with other people on sheets that they have created. Smartsheet is a powerful project management tool that can help you to organize, track, and collaborate on your work. It's a very easy-to-use tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. If you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use project management tool, I highly recommend Smartsheet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on crushing it.